Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down to coding problems and make them feel like a piece of a cake. In today's video, we are tackling a super popular backtracking challenge, match sticks to square. Sounds easy, right? But hold on, there's a twist. We learned how to take a bunch of a match sticks and figure out if we can form a perfect square using all of them with no leftovers. Spoiler alert, it's harder than it looks. I will walk you through the problem, explain the thought process, and dive into the code step by step. So whether you are preparing for interviews or just love solving puzzles, this one is for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into it. So guys, let's start to solve our question number 3 by the name of match stakes to square. So now let's start. So first of all, we understand the question carefully, yes, then we'll start to solving it. So it is saying me, it is given, you are given an integer array match stakes, where match stake square bracket I is the length of a ith stake, match stake, and we want to use all the match stakes. Please highlight it. We want to use the all match stakes. Okay, we want to use all match stakes to make one square only. It is saying me we want to use all the match stake to make up only one square. You should not break any stake. Please highlight it. You should. Now let's highlight it. Now means that it is saying me let's do it in the black color. We use only, you should not break, we do not break any stake, but we can link them up, and each match stake means there is each match stake must be used in exactly only one time. Each match stake only used in exactly only one time. And our task is we want to return true if you can make the square and false otherwise. Means if we have many skills, if you want to return true if you make the square, okay, if you do not make the square, it is hard to make the square for you, so you will be right false otherwise. Okay, but we return true. Okay, now this one diagram, it has been given me this type of square we want to make. Okay, if you made this, so you can return true. If you do not want to make this, so you will be return false otherwise. Okay, there are some stakes. If you see here, you can see it, there are 1 2 3 4 stakes it has been used at each one time. Here you can see it, 4 stakes. Using the 4 stakes, here you create a one square. So here he created one integer by the name of match stakes, in which he wrote it down 1 1 2 2 2. Okay, means he write 1 2 times and 2 3 times, and the output will be coming true. Why? Because you can form a square with length of 2, and one side of a square come 2 sticks with a length 1, and if you see in the diagram here, he created a square successfully, as so that's why the output has been coming true. If you do not create a square successfully, as so otherwise the output will become here false. So in our example 1, means in our case 1, our output will become true. So let's see our case 2. So here you can see in the case 2, here he created one integer array by the name of match sticks, in which he write 3 3 3 3. 4 times he write 3, and only one time here he write 4, and the output will become false, because you cannot find a way to form a square with all match sticks. So that's why the output has becoming false. He do not create a squares which in the form of a stick, so match sticks. So that's why the output has been coming false. In the case 1, here he created a successfully using the match sticks. So here he created one square, so that's why the output has been coming true. In the case 2, here he do not create a square successfully, so that's why there is coming output false. Okay, now these are the constraints which you use to solve this question. Okay, now let's try to solve this question. So let's come on it here. So now let's start, and this is a medium 1 question, and let's see which question number which we are solving. In today's video, we are solving our 473 question. Okay, 473 question. Now let's start. So now If you want to start a timer, so you will be started, but I am not starting. So I am solving this question in the Python 3. Now, first of all, I define a class of a solution. Like all the people know, this is a rule of a LeetCodeCamp. If you solving any question on the LeetCodeCamp, you must define a class of a solution. Then def, then make square. Why I am writing make square? Because the topic is on about it. So that's why. So self matchsticks list L will be in capital, int m means integer. Why I am writing here integer? Because in this case there is integer has been used. If you see here, okay. Now minus equals to bool means minus greater than bool. Bool means boolean. Def DFS we are using here. Like I have told you in the introduction, we also use DFS, and the question is on about. Let's see in which question is on about. Okay, there is not coming question on about because the LeetCodeCamp has been updated, so that's why. If u equals to length matchsticks, and then we return true because we make a square using a matchstick, so that's why I'm writing here true. So for loop I in range using the 4 sticks matchsticks. Then if statement I greater than 0 and ages, then square bracket I minus equal to ages, and then like this. Now here I define a continue statement. Now enter back ages I, then I define a plus and equals to this. So this is one arithmetic operators I have told you in my video of the Python, but I have continued the LeetCodeCamp videos, so that's why I'm not uploading the Python videos. And the Python, I told the Python, man, in like 200 videos I have completed of the Python. If statement, sorry, not here if statement. So now right here if statement ages I less than equals to x and DFS u plus 1 ratio, then here we return true. Then back, and then here when I do this, so I'm defining here ages one more time, and then I, then minus equals to matchsticks u, enter back, then here we return false, enter. Now back, sorry, back, enter back, x comma mod means mod, and then equals to div mod sum, and then match sticks comma 4, and then like this, enter. If statement mod or x less than max matchsticks, okay, enter. And now when you do this, so you want to return here false, ages 0 multiply by 4 match stakes dot sort reverse equals to true, and then here I am writing return DFS and then 0. Perfect. Now when you do this, so we write over all the code. So now let's see the running code of it. So now please recheck all the code, and 1.2k people have submitted this, and only 189 people accepted, 381 user tried, and user accepted is 187. Okay, now let's start to solve this. So now let's run this question. So when I run this question, so it's taking time, so it is giving me the error in the line 18. So must be the ratio error it has been given me. So let's run it now. Okay, Okay, by the mistake here two rounded brackets has been came, so that's why there is coming error. But now it is giving me the error in this line. So let's see the error. So first of all, let me maximize. Now here I write like this. So now let's control that, control that, control that. Okay, let's see what is error in this code. Where is our u? Where is u? Okay, this error has been solved. Here I write double rounded bracket, so that's why. Okay, now okay, you write like this. In line 12 it hasn't given me error. Let me see. No, line 12, line 19, line 19 had been solved. Okay, in this line it has been giving me error. So let's see what is the error. Back matchsticks minus. Now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now when I run this code, so now it has been not giving me any error. So our case 1 has been also be accepted. In our case 1 our output has been coming true, and case 2 is also be accepted. So let's see the submission code. So the submission code is also be accepted if you see here. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss these type of videos on this channel of the Devryan. So now let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, good bye.